What's up, y'all? It's JadaB and I'm back with another V. If you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a returning subby, hey honey. So I'm sitting down because I need to catch y'all up. The other day I went river tubing, y'all, and my lips are like feeling so weird. I think I be getting sunburn on my lips. So when I go on vacations, I need to put on my sunscreen, which I do, and I need to find something for my lips to put on my lips. Like, I guess I need to put it on my lips and then put my lip gloss on, because the last few trips that I've been going on, I've been having like sunburn on my lips. Like, it feels like chappy, weird, whatever case may be. Okay, anyways, so hopefully this is good lighting, y'all. I got the windows open and stuff, but I'm sitting down because I need to catch y'all up. So long story short, today is August 13th and my birthday is on August 19th. If you're new here, I'm a Leo. It's Leo season. It's officially Leo season. It's officially Leo season. It's officially Leo season. Ah! And I'm doing a couple of things for my birthday. I'm not really gonna spoil it, but I mean, whatever. Long story short, I leave to go out of town on Thursday, y'all, and I need to get I need to get my life together. So let's head out the door. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and come do last minute things with me, because I am the last minute queen. But one thing about me, I always get it done. Yeah, clock it. It's 10:01. Let's go.
Check out for you at the front.
Okay. Can I get my eyebrows done?
Yeah.
Huh?
The lady, she sell the
Not too thin, right?
No.
I'm scared. What did she say?
I said she sells squall.
Square.
It's like a boat, you know. But I like the lake. People, they buy the whole thing.
You like the lake.
I'm looking for a really small suitcase. This come up. Got an all pink. I saw one in another. The lighting is really terrible in here, but I saw one in Marshalls. It was in Marshalls and it was only $48 on sale. It was marked down. I should have got that, but I didn't get it because I was scared. Like, it looked too small. But when I put on my close friends, everybody was like, they stuff can fit in there for a weekend trip. So I probably should have got it, but I didn't. So seeing that one for $70, that pink one, really just made me feel like I'm paying for a name, and it's Steve Madden. Like, okay, I have not been talking to y'all this vlog, so I'm gonna tell you what's going on. So years ago, when I was like in high school, I believe, my mom bought me a Victoria's Secret strapless bra, y'all, and it was the best strapless bra ever.
but I lost it and I don't know where it is, and it still hasn't come up. So I went to go buy me one from Target, but it didn't fit right. Like when I put it on, it would be like a line here in my clothes, and I hated it. So I'm like, let me just go back and get me a strapless bra. But I wanted them to resize me again for my bra. So I still wear the same cup size, but it did go up, like my letter went up. But I think that's just because my back is bigger now. So she told me to try it on and call her back when I'm done. So that's what we're doing here. We're getting a strapless bra. Oh, and by the way, I did not pay for parking, so we get what we need and we go. Good morning, y'all. Today is Wednesday. It's the day before we leave for my trip. I'm super duper excited. Right now I'm heading to my hair appointment, as you can tell, y'all.
You paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake. Play the game. Should've never given it away.
All right, y'all, so I am done. My hair is done. My hair is so cute. I didn't get, it's not as long as I kind of wanted it to be, but this is perfect. Actually, I thought I wanted it to be longer, but this is perfect because where I'm about to go is super hot, so I don't need no hair all down my back, but it's eating. I really wanted the side part though, but my hair, the hair that I got was too short, so I had to go middle. But it's cute. I'm so glad mama coming on this trip with me, because if you know me, you know I don't know how to curl my hair, do my own hair, so she gonna be able to keep me going. And right now I got some Chick-fil-A. I also went into Ross and grabbed me a suitcase. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home. And now I'm about to eat this food and go to my appointment, so I'm gonna see y'all when I'm at home and I'm packing. I really need to go to Target, but I kind of don't have time to go. I don't have time to go. So when I come from my appointment, I'm gonna go to Target and then I'm gonna go home. And hopefully my stuff from Amazon came in by then. Okay, hey y'all, I am back. I don't know if y'all even saw me after my hair appointment, but hopefully y'all can see the light. But I was coming to tell y'all that I'm back home. I took a nap earlier, so that's why I got on different clothes. But I have what I'm gonna wear. I'm praying to God I can wear everything that's in the suitcase, because I love all my outfits equally. All my outfits, all my swimsuits, I love them equally. So half of this, honestly, everything I got, everything I have, literally, I was supposed to wear in the Bahamas, and I didn't, so I'm just packing it. You know how it is when you go on vacation and you wear your favorite outfits first, and then you wait. Well, yeah, I wore my favorite outfits first, and I never got a chance to wear these, so I was like, I could just run for this vacation. But this is a suitcase that I picked up. The fact that I can do this with a suitcase is crazy. This is a suitcase that I picked up. It was only $40, so just cool. This will last me until I invest, or until I'm gifted my luggage set. I really think I want an orange luggage set, like the big one, the medium one, and the small one like this. But I'm trying to make sure I find one that's quality, like, so when I invest in it, I'm gonna invest in it. So not ready to do that yet, so I just got this or whatever. And we got it. Yeah, I'm actually.
You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't.
Open up the Amazon package. I ordered me a selfie light for my phone because my other one broke. I ordered me I'm on the phone, mama, if y'all hear noise. I ordered me a black Apple Watch band to go with my outfits. And I ordered me this gray set for the airport. And I ordered me and my mom these. Y'all saw these before. This for Friday, because Friday is gonna be a Friday is gonna be a day. So I ordered us these. These cute. Oh, they come with screens that you can attach. These cute. Oh yeah, this look like me. Oh, this good. My camera about to die. Hold on, let me switch out my camera. Okay, y'all. So today is Thursday. This is the last day that I have to finish off this vlog. And a couple of days ago, maybe last week, I was looking for a small carry-on bag. And I was telling my close friends, like, it's no way y'all really use these small luggages. And it was like, they do. So one of the girls was like, just get it in lobster roll. So I did not lobster roll, but I'm about to go ahead and lobster roll now and just finish off my bag, finish off my makeup bag. And yeah, we're about to get into these lashes real quick. I'm on the phone with my homegirl, so just vibe out.
I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
By the way, I go underneath when I'm adding my lashes. Instead of going on top, I'll put it right underneath. So I'm gonna go, I like to do both eyes at the same time so I can do the same thing, but I'm just gonna do one and then I'm gonna be back. But the fact that I don't have light over here, I can't really see this side, so yeah. All right, y'all, so I came back just to end this vlog. It is currently August 15th. It's Thursday. It's Thursday, August 15th, and it's 1:17. So my lashes, y'all, this one, I gotta fix. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I gotta fix this corner because I couldn't do it right. And I think I'm gonna go for that look though. I need to add one more right there. It literally just fell. My eyes kept tearing up, so of course the glue kept getting wet. I curled my hair in the front like I cut my hair in the front like slightly. It's supposed to be like a messy ball look. It's really cute. I love it. But yeah, I'm about to close this vlog out. I'm about to finish throwing the last minute stuff in my suitcase, like my flat irons that I just used, the eyelash stuff, and that's it. I'm about to go get my mom from her school, and we are going to be on the way to the airport. So that's the end of this vlog. But make sure y'all like my previous videos, my previous travel vlogs, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to go take Arizona for my 24th birthday with my mother, and I'm so excited. But that's all. Y'all gotta wait for the next vlog for that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this maintenance day, y'all. This is how my maintenance day is being real life. Last minute. That's me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's JadaB, and I'm back with another video.